Okay, good day, class. In the previous lesson, you were able to derive the formula in finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. To review what you have already learned in finding the nth term of the geometric sequence, let us try first this examples. Find the specified term in each of the following geometric sequence. Number 1, 3, 9, 27. Let us find the sixth term. So the formula of finding the nth term of a geometric sequence, we have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r exponent of n minus 1. Okay, now let us try number 1. Using this formula, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r exponent of n minus 1. We have, so ang ato i-find is 6 term man. So, a sub, ang n na to is 6. A sub 6 is equals to a sub 1, which is 3, times r. So, in finding the r, or the common ratio, we have r is equals to a sub 2 over a sub 1. Now, our a sub 2 is 9. Kasi siya ang second term, then a sub 1 is 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. So, mauna na siya ang atong i-substitute diri sa r. So, times 3 exponent of n minus 1 man daw. So, ang n nato will be the 6. Kaya ang 6th term man nato gipangita. So, 6 minus 1. So, copy a sub 6 is equals to 3 times, copy natin ang 3, step by step na to ha. So, 6 minus 1, we have 5. So, magiging exponent 5 na lang siya. Next, copy a sub 6 is equals to 3. Then, 3 exponent of 5, we have 243. 243. So, a sub 6 is equals to, now let us multiply this two number. So, we have 243 times 3. So, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4 is 4, 8, 12. 12, exponent, I carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1. The exponent natin is, exponent na to like, remainder is 7. Therefore, our a sub 6 or the sixth term of our geometric sequence is 729. So now, let us proceed to number 2. We have the geometric sequence 1, 2, 4, and we're going to find the 7th term. So, using the same formula as this one, so we have a sub 7, kasi 7th term ang ating hahanapin. Then, our a sub 1, or the first term will be 1. So, 1 times r. So, let us find the common ratio. R is equals to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So, atong a sub 2 is 2 over a sub 1, 1. So, 2 divided by 1 is 2. So, we have 2 sa atong r. Then, exponent na to n minus 1. Our n will be 7. Kay 7 term atong gipangita. So, 7 minus 1. So, a sub 7 is equals to 1 times 7 minus 1. So, we have 2 exponent of 6. So, a sub 7 is equals to 1 times, what is 2 exponent of 6? will be 64. So our a sub 7 is equals to 1 times 64 is 64. Therefore, our a sub or our seventh term is 64. So now let us have number 3. So sa number 3, if i-rewrite na to siya, mahimo siyang 12. Blanco man kay maumaya to pang ito na second term. So 3. So if we're going to use the same formula, mayroon siyang a sub n, ka formula na to, a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r n exponent of n minus 1. Finding the second term, so a sub 2 is equals to a sub 1 na to is 12. So 12. Then ang r. So ang r na to, di ba, is a sub 2 over a sub 1. So wala man tayo a sub 2. So r lang yapan siya, r exponent of 2 minus 1. So we have a sub 2 is equals to 12 exponent 12 times r. So kung gamiton nato tong formula sa finding the n term, mas stuck lang ta din hinga side. Dili nato siya ma-solve. Dili nato ma-find ang atong second term. So para makita nato ang second term or makuha nato ang second term, we need to use the formula in finding the geometric mean. So mao na siya atong lesson karon. So, in the given term, sa first term is we call this one as the extremes. And the terms between the extremes are called the geometric mean. So, ang naa diri sa center, mao na siya ang geometric mean. For example, naatay si geometric sequence na 2, 4, 8, 16. So, the number 4 and 8, mao na siyang atong ginatawag na geometric means. Then, ang 2 and 16, mao na siya ang extremes. So now, let us try to derive a formula or let us derive a formula sa geometric mean para ma-solve nato ni nga problem. So now, let us derive the formula in finding the geometric mean of the sequence. So, the common ratio refers to the ratio of two consecutive terms. Diba, ang formula nato is R is equals, sa common ratio ha, R is equals to A sub N over A sub N minus 1. Same lang po ni siya as A sub R is equals to A sub 3 over A sub 2 and A sub 1 over, A sub 2, not A sub 1. A sub 2 over A sub 1. Therefore, we can equate A sub 3 over A sub 2 is equals to, kay and man, di ba? So, A sub 2 over A sub 1. This can be our basis in finding the geometric mean. Kani siya. Kani. Let us go back to our problem. We have 12. Ato pangitaon ang second term. Next term is 3. The first term is 12 and the last term is 3. Now, let us substitute the given number in this formula. a sub 3 or the third term nato is 3. So, 3 over, erison na ko ng line, eh. Erison na na. 3 over, so atong a sub 2 kay missing man, or the second term is, remain lang nato siyang a sub 2, is equals to, a sub 2, remain lang gihapon, copy, so a sub 2, atong a sub 1, naman tayo given, which is 12. So, ibutang nato na siya, 12. Now, unsa na po yung next natong buhaton? So, pag ingon-ani na siya, ang atong buhaton is cross multiplication. So, 3, ay, kanisa unahan na to. A sub 2 times A sub 2, we have A sub 2 squared. Now, equals to 3 times 12, which is 36. Ang next na tong buhaton is ato siyang i-square root. So, we have A sub 2 square root. Ay, square root of A sub 2 is equals to positive, negative square root of 36. And now, square root of A sub 2 is equals to A sub 2 is equals to a square root of 36 is 6. So, natay positive or negative 6. Like this one. Mao na siya ato ang A sub 2. Okay, bago ta mo proceed, nakuha naman nato ang atong second term, no, which is positive or negative 6. So, before ta mo proceed atong aning number 4, let us have another example para mas masabtan kung saan na to pagkuha ang geometric mean. Let us have an example. Saan siya yung agi? Example na to is 3 blank 45. Now, to find the geometric mean, let us have first identify the extreme and the number of term by substituting in this formula. So, atong A sub 3, ang atong extremes nga number is kaning 3 and 45, diba? Ang atong pangitaon ang geometric mean nato nga naa diri sa center. So, substitute nato ni nga given diri a. So, we have atong A sub 3 which is 45 over atong A sub 2 kay mao'y pangitaon. So, as is lang siyang A sub 2 is equals to, copy lang gihapon, A sub 2 over atong A sub 1 is ang 3. Now, substitute 3. So, same ganiha, cross multiplication gihapon, ingon ana. So, A sub 2 times A sub 2, we have A sub 2 squared is equals to 45 times 3. So, we have 135. Diba? 45 times 3. 3 times 5, 15. Carry 1, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. So, tama ni. 135. So, next. May mo siyang square root of A sub 2 is equals to square root of 135. Or may siya positive, negative, square root of 135. So, what is exponent? What is square root of 135? We have a sub 2 is equals to positive, negative. Square root nato sa 135 is equals to 3 square root of 15. So, therefore, this is our second term. So, mangutana kung abalon ako, mangutana jud mo kung giunsa na ako pagkuha na yung square root of 135. So, sa pagkuha sa square root of 135, ang first natong buhaton is pangitaon ang prime factorization sa 135. So, 135 is divisible na siya sa 3. So, kung divisible siya sa 3, 135 divide by 3, so naatay 45. Diba? 45. No, 45 times 3 is equals to 135. Kani siya. Ang kani kong 45, ma-divide gihapon na nato siya sa 3. Kaning 45, which is 15 times 3, or 45 divided by 3 is 15. Mga siya, 15 times 3, 45. Kani, as is, gapon ni siya. Ingani pagkuha sa prime factorization. So, mahima siya, 15 times 3 times 3, mo equals lang gihapon na siya, ingani 135. Tapos, kaning si 15, ma-divide gihapon na siya sa 3. Diba? 3 divided by 15 is equals to 5. So, 5 times 3, ano mo na siya diri? Ana. Ani dahil. Mao ni yung prime factor. Tapos, kanipot si 15, mao ni yung prime factor. Si 5 times 3, tapos, copy gapon ng duha times 3 times 3. So, napabaylain nga number nga ma-divide by 3. Diba, wala na? So, mao na siya. Mahitabo ana is kay tulong man ni ka 3. Nga niyon na to na siya. 3 exponent of 3. Okay, 3 times 3 times 3. Times, times na to si 5. Ya, natay square root. Okay, square root ba yan ni si 135. So, next, kakuha na to ani, i-apply na nato ang exponent rule. I hope kay hinumdum mo anang exponent rule, nakaila mo ana, which is ang A exponent of B plus C is equals to A exponent of B times A exponent of C. Mao man na siya ang exponent rule. Isa na siya sa exponent rule, kaya daghan man na sila. So, in applying the exponent rule, ang kani siyang square root of 3 times, square root of 3 exponent of 3 times 5, mahimo na siyang square root of 3 exponent of 2 times 3 times 5. Then, applying the radical rule na pod, mahimo ni siyang gamay na. Square root of 3 exponent of 2. Hindi na ni maklaro ba? 2. I-times na nimo siya sa square root of 3 times 5. So, applying the radical rule, ang atong square root of 3 exponent of 2, kay mahimo ma-cancel out man ning 2, ma-cancel ning 2 pati ning square root, mahimo na ni siyang 3 square root of 3 times 5, mao na ni siya 15. So nakuha ra nato ning kani Mao na nga answer. Mao na atong a sub 2 or the second term 3 square root of 15. Giingon ana ko na siya pag-solve. Inig natin ingon ani nga square root. Sa atong square root of 35, 135 ko. Ang prime factor ani naa sa sulod nga number sa square root. Then mag-apply ka mga exponent rule, radical rule. Then makuha na nimo ning answer. Okay, that's all. Kung naapay lang question ani, pag-ask lang. So let us now proceed to number 4. So Edison sa nako. Okay, so ato naman yung mag-proceed na ta sa atong example 4. So, i-write na to ni example 4 na to, ha. Kaya atong pangitaon is atong second term and the third term. So, i-reason ako. Himuon na to siyang blank, blank, blank. So, 2, blank, blank, and 54. So, now, unlike sa first na to nga example, unlike sa number 3 nga, ang second term lang ang wala. Karon nanatay duha nga wala, which is the second term and the third term. So, in this problem, let us define first the extreme and the number of terms. So, ang extreme na to is si 2 and si 54. Kaya ang nasa gawas man ang number ang extreme, di ba? Tapos, ang atong geometric mean, ang duha kana sa center nga mo gipangita. So, ang atong number of terms na atay upat ka term sa geometric sequence. Kaning first, second, third, and fourth. So, upat siya. Karon, lahi na pod nga formula ang atong gamiton. Dili na po tong parehas number 3. Ano siya na formula? R is equals to N minus K. Kamay ni nga K. Square root of A sub N over A sub K. Kana siya. Where ang N na to, N is equals to number of terms. Number of terms. Then, ang K, pasensya, na dyan ang agi na po, ha? Is equals to 1 since it is the first term placement. Okay, take note. Since then, ang R, same as the previous lessons, common ratio lang gihapon atong R. Ratio. Moingon tag N mo ng number of terms. First, second, third, fourth. Diba? Ingon ana na siya. Number of terms sa sequence nato. Like this one. Kanina tay 4 ka terms. So, mao na siya ito ibutang dira sa N. 4. Kay 4 man ka term ang naa. Ang K na to is equal na siya sa 1. Kani. Ang R as is lang gihapon sa pareha sa up to previous lesson, which is common ratio. So now, let us try using this formula in solving this geometric sequence, in finding the geometric means of this sequence. So, substitute na to diri ang mga given diri sa number 4. So, we have first is ang R. R is equals to Ang n nato kay naman tay 4 ka term, 1 2 3 4. So 4 pud ang atong n kay number of terms man siya, di ba? So 4 minus ang k nato is equals to 1. Always yun na siya. So 1. Then square root of a sub n. Atong a sub n is 4. Kay 4 man na siya ka term. Next is a sub k. Ang k nato, di ba, is 1. So, a sub 1. Ang k lang ato i-change, ha? So, r is equals to 4 minus 1, 3. Copy the exponent. Sorry, nabawg-bawg na siya. So, atong a sub 4, unsa man, kani siya. Muna siyang 54 over atong a sub 1 is kani 2. Substitution ni siya diri nga part. Then r is equals to copy na to ang 3 square root of, so 54 divided by 2 pila man. So we have 54 divided by 2. Manual, ha? I mean, so, 2 times 2, 4. 1, bring down 4. So, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So, 7 times 2 is 14. 0. Therefore, 27 ang atong result. So, 54 divided by 2 is equals to 27. Next, r is equals to, pila man atong answer dira, the answer is 3. Ma'am, nganong 3 man? First is i-factor man natong 27 nga number. Yun say ma-divide sa 27. Divisible na siya sa 9 and sa 3. Diba? 27 divided by 9 is equals to 3. Pwede po siya 27 divided by 3 is equals to 9. Diba? But, para masayon, i-factor na to siya into 3 square root of, factor na tong 27, may siyang 3 exponent of 3. Okay, diba? 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So, mauna na siya ani o kani. So, next, apply na to ang radical rule. Kaya pag, ang radical rule kasi ani, diba, n square root of a sub n. So, same ang iyahang exponent. Ma-equal na siya into a. So, kung gamitan na tong number kani ang example sa number aning radical, applyin na to sa radical rule. So, same sila og exponent, diba? 3 og kaning 3. So, mawala na siya kanipod. Mag-equals na lang ni siya into 3. That's why, ang atong answer is, atong common ratio is 3. So, kaya na naman tayo common ratio nga 3, pwede na nato itong magamit tong formula nato sa finding the n term. So, di ba wala man tayo a sub 2 is equals to a sub 1 times r n minus 1. So, a sub 2 is equals to, atong a sub 1 is 2. Atong common ratio is 3. Or r, 3. Ay. Tapos, atong n, second term pa man itong gipangita. Gani, so, 2 minus 1. A sub 2 is equals to 2 times 3 na lang siya. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, mauni ato ang second term. So, atong third term, using the same formula, a sub 3 is equals to, first term, kaniga po nga formula ha, pero a sub 1 r n minus 1 So, a sub 3 na to, a sub n din ni dapat. Kani, a sub n in first. Ang formula pa man. Kana, 1. And, tapos, pangitaon na to ang a sub 3. So, a sub 3 na siya. Ay, third term, I mean. So, a sub 1, 2. R is 3. So, ang third term na itong ipangita, ang n na to will be 3 also. So, 1 minus 1. A sub 3 is equals to, kita pa ba? Copy ang 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 3 exponent of 2 na siya. A sub 3 is equals to 2 times 3 exponent of 2 is 3 times 3 is 9. So, 2 times 9 is equals to 18. So, let us try another example para mas masabtan pa. Example. We have 2 blank 250. Using the formula of the common ratio, which is R is equals to N minus K square root of A sub N over A sub K. So, yung gani ha. Kuhaon man nato ang common ratio una, di ba? Mga kani nga formula atong first nga buhaton. So, ang atong n is kung pila siya ka term. So, naamatay 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na term. Therefore, ang atong n is 4. Ang k is always 1. So, minus 1. Square root of a sub n na to, may mo siyang a sub 4. Okay, 4 ka term. A sub 1 kay ang k na to is always 1. So, now let's substitute. Given. R is equals to 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 square root of a sub 4 na to, ang fourth term. So, 250. Atong a sub 1 is kani pinakauna nga term. So, 2. R is equals to 3 square root of. So, 250 divided by 2. Pila man na siya. So, we have 125. Diba? Tama? 250 divided by 2. So, 1, 2, 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1, bring down 0. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2, 10. 0. Okay? So, let us now proceed. We have 3 square root of 125. Pila may answer, ana? It is equals to 5. Ma'am, ngan 5 man. I-factor na to si 125. Same gani ha, sa kato atong example, ay atong giansiran. So, ang factor sa 125 is 5 exponent of 3. Mali siya ha, kani siya. 5, di ba? 5 times 5. Times 5, mauman siya. Ay, 5. Kung kani siya, ito yung mga ngani. 5 times 5 is equals to 25 times 5. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. So, it's equals to 125. Mauni siya ang factor, ani. So, cube root of 5 cube. Basta kani, tanggalon ni siya kanipod. Ang mabilin is 5. Wala naman yung square root, ay cube root na to. Mauni 5 ang answer. So, next. Naa naman ni siya. So, apply na nato ang atong formula. Itong formula in finding the nth term. So, we have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times r exponent of n minus 1 divided to 3. So, atong gipangita nga term is ang second term. So, a sub 2. Atong a sub 1 is 2. Atong r is kani si 5. N, same ani, 2 minus 1. So, 2 minus 1, 1 naman siya. So, mahimo na siya ingon. Ani, a sub 2 is equals to 2 times 5. Kaya 1 na lang atong exponent. So, 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Diba? Tama? Next. Third term na po ito. Pangitaan dire. So, a sub 3. Itong a sub 1 is 2 gihapon. Atong r is 5. Ito na ha, 5. Atong n is 3 gihapon. So, 3 minus 1. A sub 3 is equals to, copy ang 2 times 5. Kay next is 3 minus 1 is 2. Apps, dako na siya. So, a sub 3 is equals to 2, diba? So, 5 exponent of 2. So, 5 times 5 is equals to 25. 25. A sub 3 is equals to 2 times 25. Pila man. So, 25 times 2. 10. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. So, 50. So, therefore, ang atong a sub 3 is 50, atong a sub 2 is 10. Mao na siya diri. Ang ato ang geometric mean. Mao ni atong geometric mean kanang duha. So, that's it for today. Hinaot nga nasabtan. Pag may question, i-ask lang sa ako. And thank you.